guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally and today I have created this festive glam makeup look. I really like the way it has turned out with lots of shimmers. So yeah, if you're interested, please continue watching. So I'm starting by prepping my face first, for which I'm going to use this face mist by Plum from their green tea range. Then I'm going to use moisturizer. This is from Plum from their same range. No matter which makeup look you create, or even if you don't do any makeup, you have to prep your skin, you have to moisturize it very well. Next I am going to do my eyebrows, for which I am going to use this eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire. This is in dark brown shade. I have very thin eyebrows, so I have to take a lot of time to do it. If you have a very well defined eyebrows, you can totally skip this step. But if you don't have, then you have to struggle like me. It takes a lot of time, but it's very much worth investing. Well defined eyebrows gives definition to face, so it is very important to do it correctly. Next I'm directly going to start with eye makeup, for which I'm going to use this NYX Photogenic Concealer. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid, as you can see. Today I'm going to use this Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I'm going to pick up this pink shade and apply it all over crease area like so. Next I'm going to pick up this dark brown shade from the palette with the help of this small brush, and I'm going to just dab it on the outer corner of my eyes. The brush set which I am using is from Miniso. I had recently bought it from Amazon. All the product links would be mentioned down in description box, so please do check it out. So coming back to eye makeup, like you can see, I am just dabbing the dark brown shade on the outer corner of my eyes. Feel free to go back and forth with the colors if you don't feel the pigmentation is enough. Next I am going to apply the same color on the inner corner of the eyes, but very less. It should not be as pigmented as it was in outer corner. Then with this fluffy brush again, I am going to blend everything all together seamlessly. You have to take your own good time to blend it. If the harsh edges are visible, the eyeshadow looks very chalky. So you have to blend it properly. Next I'm going to pick this golden shimmery shade with the help of the fingers and then place it on the center of my eyes. Then with the help of this flat brush, I am going to blend the shimmer shade with the other eyeshadows. Going back with the fluffy brush, I am going to blend everything all together. Then I did the other eye off camera, and this is how both eyes looks now. Next I am going to use this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner and create a wing liner. Going ahead with NYX HD Photogenic Concealer, I am going to highlight and conceal under eyes, blending it with help of the fingers in dabbing motion to get maximum coverage out of it. Using the same eyeliner, I am going to extend the eyeliner on the inner corners, as you can see. Then I am going to use Plum Kajal and apply it on lower lash line. And then the eye makeup is done. Moving on to face makeup, I am first going to prime my face, for which I am going to use Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. Today I am going to use Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. This is in shade Warm Sand. This is exact match for my skin tone. Also, this foundation gives full coverage. Then with the beauty blender, I am going to blend the foundation in dabbing motion. The beauty blender which I am using is from Color Bar. Next I am going to use NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. I am just using it to highlight because the foundation gave me pretty well coverage. I didn't feel the need to conceal. Next I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and set everything in place. Next, using Wet n Wild contouring palette, I am just going to bronze and warm up the face. Next, with the use of small brush, I am going to contour the nose. Next, I am going to use this blush from Color Bar. This is in shade Coral Bliss, and just going to apply it on apples of my cheeks. Next, using this highlighter from Makeup Revolution, I am going to apply it on the higher points of my face, such as cheeks, on bridge of my nose and chin. Today I am going to use these two lipsticks. So firstly I am going to use this L'Oreal Rouge Signature lipstick. This is in shade I Am Worth It. This is pure blurred red color lipstick. You really have to feel the lipstick to wear it. Next I am going to apply Maybelline Creamy Matte. This is in shade Divine Wine. Just going to apply it on the center of the lips just to tame down a color little bit. Finally, using Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal, I'm just going to take my own time to coat lashes because it really makes a lot of difference. And finally completing the look with small bindi. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like, share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.